Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the lift at the Posh Hotel. It's going to be a Kone Ecodisc. Here we go, it's going to be an MX06. Yeah, here it is. It's a little arrow on the indicator, it's not showing. Let's go to 2. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos, built in 2005. Yeah, Ecodisc logo. Our walls are a little bit cheap, they feel it. And here we are at 2, let's go down to 1. MX06.
Going down. Doors closing.
Right. Oh, let's go to 1 then. So the lights. Got it on the first floor.
Doors closing.
Go down to G. See if we can do that thing. Yeah, when we get down to G, we'll see if we'll do it. I doubt it won't. Yeah, this is a nice little Ecodisc, it is. Let's try it.
Going up.
Yeah. No, it doesn't do it.
Going down.
I was not actually expecting to find this lift. I was going to use the toilets and then I actually found it. I thought it was going to be an old classic lift, but no, it's an Ecodisc.
No.
Yeah, this is an amazing one, although it's MX06, I do like it. It's a really good lift.
Doors closing.
Oh yeah. It's time to get... Oh yes. Full disco set on, that's why I'm called Disco Plays. No wonder. Here we go. Hope you like my light up shoes. Back down to G.
Doors open. Going down. Doors closing.
I was not expecting to film this, I really wasn't.
Round.
And here we are, G, let's send it up to 2.
Doors open. Going up. Doors closing.
And there's the indicator. Keyhole up there, and that's it. Full indicator view. There you go. And that's the end. Like and subscribe.